Big South Fork National River and Recreation Area is a 125,000-acre park located on the Cumberland Plateau in the states of Kentucky and Tennessee. This park preserves the Big South Fork of the Cumberland River, and this region contains one of the highest concentrations of natural bridges in the eastern United States. So keep watching, and we'll show you some. We spent about a half of a day here, and this is what we did. First, we went to East Rim Overlook. It's on the east side of the park in Tennessee, close to State Road 297, and it gives you a bird's eye view of the Cumberland River. Then we went to the Bandy Creek Visitor Center, but last year they were closed due to the pandemic. We went in November of last year, but they were still able to give us our passport stamp for our national park book, and the kids were able to get their junior ranger badges, so it worked out. After leaving the visitor center, we went to the Twin Arches Trail, which is about a 40-minute drive from the visitor center. And it is a 1.4-mile round-trip trail that takes you to these beautiful Twin Arches. We wish we had our GoPro last year because this hike was so cool. You walk right over the arches and then down a steep set of stairs. You can start to see the arches through the trees. When one goes down, one must go back up again. We would highly recommend visiting this park. We barely scratched the surface of it, and we're definitely going to be back there one day. So I will attach a link in the description below of the park's website. That way you always are up to date on the latest information. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It's free for you and it helps us out tremendously. Check out our channel where we have more adventure videos. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Have a great day. Bye!